Hi guys, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, let's do some stinking cute and very quick crafting. Stay tuned. So I know that a lot of you have gone over to Instagram and posted your fabulous creations using the hashtag #PoshPaperLadyInspired. And that's great because I want all of you to share the wonderful creations that you're making from the projects that I share on the channel. And boy, do we have some talented people out there. So if you haven't seen what others are doing, so guys, head on over to Instagram using the hashtag #PoshPaperLadyInspired to add your pictures as well as to see what others are doing. I think you'll be blown away. So today's project is Little But Mighty. It is so stinking cute. And for those of you who are prepping for any type of a craft fair, this is an awesome idea. This would make a great little seller for your table. You can deck it out in all types of colors and themes. I did this one in an autumn theme, but you can do it for Christmas, Valentine's Day, anytime. Just create these little cuties and they will definitely be a hit on your table. And what are they? They are the little mini bottles of hand sanitizer. And you all know that we all need hand sanitizer in today's environment. So these little cuties can be tucked right into your purse, into your shirt pocket, into your pants pocket, wherever you want to put them. And I've got these packaged in a set of 2. And then I created a custom little holder for both of them. Aren't those just the cutest? Y'all know what time it is. Let's make it. And here's what I'm starting with. I got this at the Dollar Tree, but you can probably find these little mini bottles anywhere hand sanitizer is available. You might even be able to find it online. I'm not sure, but I got this from the Dollar Tree. I have also seen these in Target. I have even seen these in a convenience store. So all depends on where you want to go to get it and how much you want to pay for it. At Dollar Tree, these were 2 for $1. So I'm starting with these little 1-ounce mini bottles. Then I have a piece of decorative cardstock that I shared with you guys in my recent haul video. And this piece measures 9 by 6 7/8. Then I have another piece of that same decorative paper, and this piece measures 3 by 6 7/8. We might have to trim it just a little bit, but this is what we're going to start with. So let's make the box first. And y'all, this is going to be a chipboard free project. So if you want to add chipboard to yours, you can. I am not adding any chipboard to this because once we double up our paper, it's going to be firm enough anyway. So what we need to do on this, we need to score at 1 1/2 on all 4 sides. And I want these autumn leaves on the outside. So when you're scoring, make sure that whichever side you want to be the outside of your project, that's the side on which you place your score marks. And then once we've finished our scoring, I am going to use my big old spatula just to go in and give a nice burnishing to all of my score marks. And I just love this paper. I am so glad that I was able to get my hands on some really nice autumn paper, because while I have some in my paper collection, I don't have as much autumn paper as I like. So I'm really going to start going on the hunt for that and just collecting it for future crafting. So once we have our scores done, we are going to need to remove some paper. So the way that I'm going to do this is you are going to have, and it's going to be pretty hard to see, so I'll try it over here. We're going to have 3 corner pieces on all 4 sides that we'll need to remove. So what that means is we need to go up to the second score mark and drag straight down to first free it up in this direction. Then we're going to angle in just like that, and then we'll come over here to this second score mark, angle in, and now we can angle in and remove that piece that has 2 on it, and then we'll remove that 3rd piece. And this is what we do on all 4 sides of this project. So again, we go up to the second score mark, drag straight down first, then we're going to angle in like that, and then we'll come over to this score mark, angle in, and then I can angle down just like that, and then I'll remove this piece. And we do this process on all 4 sides, and when you're done, you're actually going to have something that looks a little bit misshapen, but don't let that bother you because it's right. So I'm almost done. Ordinarily, I would do this part off camera, but I wanted to stay with you guys here so you can see what I mean about this looking a little bit odd. So we are almost done with all of our cutting. All right, so now that we have removed all of our tab pieces, you can see that this looks just a little bit odd, but I'm going to do a little bit more trimming to it. So everywhere that I have my outer flaps, I have 2 skinnies and then 2 bigger outer flaps. I am going to take those outer flaps and just basically trim them in half. And I'll explain why I'm doing this as soon as I have them all trimmed. So I'm only doing this to the outer flaps. And the reason why I did it is because this is actually how wide our box is going to be. And it would have been hard to try to fold down these pieces the way that we normally do. So I went ahead and just trimmed them down just a little bit. Now we get to put the sweet little box together. So I am going to take my glue, place my glue on my flaps. Then I can take my tab and I'm just going to roll it around in that glue just a little bit. And I'll do the same thing over here. So I'm just making sure that I've got nice, tight, and crisp edges. And this is so small that I am just going to rub it together with my fingers instead of trying to use my spatula or anything else. So I'm going to fold these back and move them out of the way so that we can do this piece here. And now I can take these 2 pieces and just put them on the inside and get them matched just like that. Same thing over here. Get them matched. And I'll just use my fingers to just make sure that I've got my glue nice and stuck. So then I'm going to fold these back, take my glue, put it on these flaps, and then we'll fold these in just like you guys have seen me do so many times before. So I'll get those folded in, and then we'll go back with the ruler and get them nice and stuck. Or you can go in with a little bone folder if you want, which is what I think I'm going to do. So I'm going to take my little bone folder and just go on the inside, roll that around until I have everything nice and stuck. And guys, that's our box. It's not a very big box, but it is a very cute box. So I am going to open this. and we'll take our 2 sanitizers and place them in our box. And you want a very snug fit. You don't want them rolling around all over the place. And you can see that that looks terrific. Now what we're going to do is we are going to take this piece, and this will become the back piece of that. But before we do that, I simply want to fold it in half. And I am going to use my double stick tape on this piece. I'm not going to put any glue because I don't want the wetness of the glue warping my paper at all. I'm going to lift this up. Then I'll place down one more piece. And now I'll lift this up. And I'm just going to fold this over just like that. And I'll smooth everything out with my bone folder. Then I'm going to take this piece, take these out, and see if I can get that to go on the inside, and I can. If you can't, then just start trimming away small portions until this will fit on the inside, just like that. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to take some glue, place some glue right along the bottom. Then when I take this and put it inside, I am going to put it in, and then I'm just going to slide it back and forth to get my glue all over the back of this and the inside of that. So I'll take my little bone folder again, go on the inside, press down, and get everything nice and stuck. Then I'll take my 2 little sanitizer bottles and put them in. And as the saying goes, snug as a bug in a rug. And that's exactly what we want. So now what I want to do is I am going to bring in some of my autumn papers, and I really want to just kind of decorate this a little bit. And I haven't decided what I want to do on this, but I think I'm going to start with, I think I'm going to put just a little bit of this down right here. And let me trim off the excess. I'll take my leftover and just place it back on my sheet so that I can use it on another project. So now we have this, and now I think I want to put something on top of that. And I think I want to go with this sweet little owl. Place that owl right there. Then here at the top, I am going to find just a sweet little saying to place down. So I am just going to use a piece of my leftover paper, and it's not going to take much. So I am just going to put my little sticker right here in the corner because I want it to have a backing. I am going to use my scissors, trim out this little sticker. That is no longer a sticker. And now I have this little piece of ephemera that we can use on our project. So I am going to use one of my little clothespins, and this one is orange. And I am going to take this, pop it up just like that. And then I'll use my clothespin to anchor it. So you can see just how cute this is and just how easy it was to make these. But guys, it's going through the extra effort to turn just an ordinary bottle of sanitizer into a cute little gift. This is perfect for your craft fair table. This is perfect for Secret Santa gifts. This is perfect for any time, because like I said, we can all use a little sanitizer in our lives these days. So this would be a most appreciated and a most prized gift. And if you happen to know a teacher that is going back into the classroom and you want to make her like a happy going back basket, this would be perfect for that basket. So I have them both sitting out here. Y'all can see just how cute they are. And at the beginning, I said they were little but mighty, and yes, they are. They're mighty stinking cute is what they are. So guys, I hope that you have liked this super duper easy project. And if you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join my online crafting family. You guys, have a great day. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.